Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix 20 millisecond ping issue in BGMI PC or emulator. So these are the most important step. First you need to use wired connection instead of Wi-Fi connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to use Ethernet cable with your router and your computer. This will reduce the ping, it will give the lowest and stable ping. So the second method is you need to select nearest BGMI server. So first you need to open BGMI, then after go to setting of that application and then go to server. You need to choose Asia, India, that means closest region in according to my. If you're living in US, try to use US nearest region server. This will reduce the server delay. And the next method is you need to close background internet apps. So simply right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, check what kind of application using internet. In my case the Firefox is using the internet. Simply select that one, tap on end task option, and if you see OneDrive, Google Drive kind of applications are running on the background, close that application too. This will freeze the bandwidth for BGMI. And the next method is you need to disable VPN completely. So first you need to go to start menu, go to setting, then after go to network and internet, go to the VPN option. If you see any kind of VPN is available in here, simply turn it off, and if you're using third-party VPN, turn that application also, because VPN increase the ping. So next method is you need to change your DNS into the fast DNS option. So first you need to go to the start menu, then after go to setting, then after in the left side menu go to network and internet, scroll down and go to advanced network setting and tap on more network adapter options. You can see your Wi-Fi adapter. If you're Ethernet, if you're using Ethernet, you can see Ethernet cable. Right click on it, go to properties option and tap on IPv version 4, tap on properties. So in here you tap on use the following IP address. So you need to use 8.8.8.8. So then after tap on OK. This will change your DNS into the fast DNS server. This will faster the server response. So the next method is you need to optimize emulator network. So if you are using BlueStacks or any kind of emulator, LDPlayer kind of thing, first you need to go to the emulator setting. It could be different from emulator to emulator. So first you need to go to emulator setting, then after go to the network section, and you need to enable low latency or performance mode kind of setting on that setting section, and allocate more RAM and CPU into your emulator. So this will reduce the emulator lag if that happened. And next method is you need to pause Windows Update by just go to start menu, go to setting, in the left side menu go to Windows Update, tap on pause update for 1 week. And the next method is right click on the start menu, go to device manager, right click on the network adapter, double tap on network adapter, right click on your adapter, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. This will update your driver into the latest version. And finally you can check your ping using command prompt. Go to search for command prompt and you need to type ping to google.com and hit enter. If it shows stable and low latency, that means your computer is ready to go. So thank you very much.